Hey there, home gardeners! Ever wondered if you could turn those store-bought mushrooms into a thriving home farm? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you how to grow your own delicious Girgolas, or oyster mushrooms, right from those market-bought mushrooms. Let's dive in. First things first, you need fresh Girgolas from the store. Look for ones with thick, healthy stems and caps. Next, carefully cut off the stems, about an inch from the base. These stems are what you're going to use to grow new mushrooms. Now let's prep the growing medium. You can use a mix of coffee grounds and sawdust. Coffee grounds are rich in nutrients and perfect for mushroom growth. Mix them together and moisten them with a little water. You want it to be damp, not soaking wet. Fill a container with this mixture, leaving some space at the top. Place the mushroom stems, cut side down, into the mixture. Make sure they're snug and secure. Cover the container with a clear plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse effect. Poke a few holes for ventilation. Now, find a cool, dark spot for your container. Mushrooms love humidity and moderate temperatures, around 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Check on them daily and mist the substrate if it looks dry. In about 2-3 weeks, you should see tiny mushrooms starting to sprout. When the caps start to flatten out, it's harvest time. Gently twist and pull the mushrooms from the base. And voila! Fresh Girgolas right from your home. Perfect for stir-fries, soups, or just sautéing with garlic and butter. Give it a try, and happy gardening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home gardening tips. See you next time.